In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Telegram accounts using a fake number. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open Telegram, click on start messaging. Now it's asking you to enter your phone number. So what you need to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type TEMPSMSS. Click on this first link right here. Here you will see some country flags of which you can use the phone number to make your account. I'll go with Sweden. So click on free Sweden number. And here as you can see that there are a lot of phone numbers available. So select any one and click on receive SMS. Right next to this phone number you will see this copy option. So click on it. Now go back to Telegram and paste the phone number here. Click on this next option. Click on yes. Now a verification code will be sent to the given phone number. So in order to receive the verification code, go back to your internet browser and click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. And here basically you will receive the verification code. And once you have received the verification code, all you have to do is to copy it and then paste it on Telegram. And once that done, your Telegram account will be created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.